So this video is mainly about the latest updates of S Bank. Today an update came from S Bank. So this is about employee stock options scheme. So around 11 lakh shares are issued to the employees under stock option scheme, and 1 crore 33 lakh is collected. You just look at this attachment. So this is the update. Just now it is uploaded on the stock exchanges. So 5th December 2025, Yes Bank. So intimation of allotment of equity shares pursuant to the exercise of stock options under employee stock option scheme 2020. So you can see the number of shares, or you can read the content. I will share this link also, you can see later. This is to inform that the nomination and remuneration committee of the bank has approved the allotment of 11 lakh 3,638 equity shares. So 11 lakh 3,638, these are fresh shares. That means shares are increased. So market price is around 22 to 23, but shares are issued at the price of 13.2 to 14, 13 to 14 range. So bank has collected around 1 crore 33 lakh. 1 crore 33 lakh 99,045. You can say 46. See, bank has sold, indirectly bank has sold or issued the shares to existing employees. So that means lock-in period is over for these shares, and the employees who has exercised got the shares at discounted price. What is the market price now? It is around 22 to 23. But they bought at a discounted price around 13 to 14 rupees. So I think for this lock-in period will be there. There is no information about this. So you see the number of shares. So 3137 crores. If you remove this 3137, ₹64 lakh 45,962 balance shares. I am talking about this. So if you remove 3137, so earlier 64 lakh 45,962 shares were there. Now 75 49,600 equity shares. Because if you read total, there won't be much difference. That is why just remove the 3137 common portion. You can clearly see the difference. Earlier 64 lakh 45,962. Now this 11 lakh added. So 64 plus 11, 75 lakh. So just now, today 5th December, around 15 or 20 minutes back only this update has come. So remaining other updates are relating to investor meetings, and one or two are there, ESOP also. Just look at those also. There are many meetings recently. This is yesterday's meeting outcome. So I will share the link in the description. This is conducted by UBS Securities India Private Limited. But the meeting was conducted in Hong Kong. It's all our group meetings. So what and all discussed in the meetings, this is the one point. So to know that, you can see the bottom of the table, there is an quotation: no unpublished price sensitive information was shared during the meetings or calls. That means whatever published, like Q2 results, Q1 results, last year finance 24-25 financial year balance sheet, other financial statements, so annual reports, based on these only these meetings are, I mean, a discussion was done during these meetings. So I think I'll read it for you. There are 5 group meetings yesterday, so in different timings. So this is the first meeting conducted in physical mode in Hong Kong, and it's a group meeting. Two parties: North Rock Capital Management Hong Kong Limited and UBS Securities India Private Limited. Its timings are also given. Indian time 7:15 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. and Hong Kong time 9:45 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. So second one, Marcel Ways Asia Limited and UBS Securities India Private Limited. It's physical mode and it's a group meeting in Hong Kong. Timings are given here. Indian times 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and Hong Kong time 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. The third meeting is Breven Harvard Invest Products Limited and Sensiva Capital Hong Kong Limited, UBS Securities India Private Limited. These three are virtual mode. This is not physical meeting, virtual meeting. Yesterday, it's a group meeting in Hong Kong. 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Indian time and 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Hong Kong time. The fourth one, Wellington Management Hong Kong Limited, UBS Securities India Private Limited, physical mode. It's a group meeting and conducted in Hong Kong. Indian time 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. and Hong Kong time 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. The last fifth one, MetLife Investments Asia Limited, Alliance Global Investors, First Sincere Investors Hong Kong Limited, DWS Investments Hong Kong Limited, UBS Securities India Limited. This is also conducted in physical mode and it's a group meeting in Hong Kong. Time was from 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Hong Kong time 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So in these all meetings, the discussion was about financial statements only, majorly what and all improvement, what is the future of the yes bank, based on the published information already, whatever they published on the stock exchanges. So based on that only this discussion was done in these meetings. That means there is no unpublished price sensitive information discussed or shared during these meetings or calls. This is one meeting conducted on 4th December. There are many meetings. You see this was the meeting conducted on 3rd December. Yes, this meeting was conducted in Singapore. 3 meetings are physical mode and another one is physical plus virtual. Schedule of analyst or institutional investor conference outcome. See in this, what is the outcome? If you see most of the meetings, the outcome you can see only the who has participated in the meeting, conference or meeting, who and all participated. Generally these are probable upcoming investors, either in the form of alternative investment funds or mutual funds. These are asset management companies. If you look at the most of the companies are asset management, Singapore only. See, there are 4 meetings in Singapore. The first one is Fullerton Fund Management, UBS Securities India Private Limited, physical mode. So this is a group meeting and timing also there. It's conducted in Singapore. The second meeting, 4 parties participated. T. Rowe Price, UBS Asset Management Singapore Private Limited, Prudence Asset Management Pte Limited, UBS Securities India Private Limited. So Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025, physical mode. It's a group meeting in Singapore. Robeco Singapore Private Limited, third meeting. 3 parties are participated. Invesco Asset Management Singapore. So Invesco you can see in Hyderabad also 2 places. One is in Raidurg and another one is in Begumpet. Invesco Prakash Nagar. But this is Singapore related. Merrill Lynch Singapore Pte Limited. This meeting in physical plus virtual group meeting Singapore. So last one, 4th meeting, Pinpoint Asset Management Singapore Pte Limited. So 1-to-1 meeting. So there are many meetings. If you look at these can be probable upcoming investors in S Bank. Whenever you see in the future, most of the time you see the upper circuit. During that time, these people only coming to picture. This is third. Next update of received on 2nd December. This is also investor meeting outcome. Oh my god, 5 group meetings. So this is also in Singapore. Schedule of analyst or institution investor conference outcome. Group meeting conducted in Singapore. You can just timings are different. It's conducted on 2nd December 2025 Tuesday. The first one, Manulife Investment Management. Second one, UBS Securities India Private Limited. Second meeting, 3 parties, Lombard ODR Singapore Limited, Goldman Sachs Asset Management Singapore Pte Limited, UBS Securities India Private Limited. It's a group meeting in Singapore. In third meeting, 3 parties are participated. Pictet Asset Management, East Spring Investment Singapore Limited, UBS Securities India Private Limited. Asset Management. Next, you heard about BlackRock Mutual Fund. So this is related to mutual fund BlackRock and UBS Securities India Limited. Next, Cargill Trade and Capital Markets, UBS Securities India Private Limited. It's the 5th meeting. See, this, as I said earlier, most of these are probable upcoming investors of S Bank. It can fall under mutual funds or under alternate investment funds. This update received on 2nd December meeting outcome. See, you look at the another meeting. This is the 1st December. There is another meeting. This is also in Singapore. GIC. GIC. The first meeting in between Balyasni Asset Management Singapore Pte Limited and UBS Securities India Private Limited. GIC. I don't know why GIC is what. So third meeting Millennium Capital Management Singapore Limited. It's 1-to-1 meeting. Next fourth meeting Pictet Asset Management and UBS Securities India Private Limited. It's a group meeting in Singapore. See, nothing is there. These parties are participated in these meetings. This is investor presentation, mostly related to Q2 results. So latest ESOP is I think first one is latest one. So this is earlier. Today 5th December 11,03,000 shares allotted. So this is on 25th November. Another 10 lakh shares are issued. 10.58. So nothing is the same. The allotment price is around 13 to 14 rupees. Company Yesbank issued 10 lakh 58,752 shares and collected 1 crore 30 lakh 4,814 rupees. Next. This is investor meeting intimation. 1 or 2 intimations are there. When the meeting will be, the date of meeting will be given in advance. You see here, 1st and 4th December. 1st December, 3rd December and 4th December. So intimation is already given on 21st November. So on so date meeting will be conducted. This is investor meeting outcome. This is in Mumbai. So Indian mutual funds and insurance companies also participated. You see, meeting should be like this, not just 1 or 2, 3, 6 to 8. So this was published on 20th November. Investor conference or outcome. The 3 meetings, and one is 1-to-1 and another 2 are group meetings conducted in Mumbai, and it's in physical mode. See, first one is 1-to-1 meeting, SIG India Trading Private Limited. The second meeting, 6 parties are participated. In this, few are asset management and few are brokerage companies and insurance companies also. The first one is life insurance, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited, Baroda BNP Paribas Asset Management India Private Limited, East Capital in Asia Limited, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, Tara Capital Partners India Private Limited, Kotak Securities Limited. I think here 2-3 are listed companies only. HDFC Life Insurance is the listed one. Then Kotak Securities are also listed, Aditya Birla also. In this particular investor meeting, these are participated, and it's a group meeting conducted in Mumbai. Again Aditya, this is the another meeting, same day. Aditya Birla Sun Life Pension Fund Management Limited, Aviva Life Insurance Company India Limited, Baroda BNP Paribas Asset Management India Private Limited, Forlian Advisors India LLP, Helios Capital Management India Private Limited, Geo BlackRock Asset Management Private Limited, Summit Crest Investment Advisors Private Limited, Kotak Securities Limited. This is the another meeting, group meeting only. So these may participate in the upcoming days. They may buy the shares continuously. Till now you have not seen the many upper circuits. When the people like this, these kind of asset management companies, insurance companies, and mutual funds, pension funds, these and all coming to picture, no? They may continuously buy the shares. At one point of time, there are no sellers, only buyers. Keep going in upper circuits only. This is when the update, 20th November. We'll see another one. See another meeting outcome on 19th November. 19th November, 7 parties are participated in the group meeting at Mumbai. So conference name is JM Financial Flagship India Conference. Who and all participated? JP Morgan Service India Private Limited, MLP Research India Private Limited, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, SBI Pension Funds Private Limited, Tara Capital Partners India Private Limited, Vasuki India, JM Financial Institutional Securities Limited. So it's published on 19th November. Look at another one. This meeting update was received on 12th November. Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company into one-to-one meeting. So these all links I will share in the description or in comment section. You see any other important updates are there. Mostly AGM one day we'll see any important points. I think in October we can see only Q2 results. I think here 20th October domain name change, yesbank domain name. Website, domain means website only. Earlier the yesbank website was www.yesbank.in. Now yesbank name, website name is www.yesbank.bank.in. Earlier yesbank.in, now yes.bank.in. Everything is changing, management is changing here, even company secretary is changed. Earlier some other person. So this is whatever I am discussing on this channel, specifically related to Yes Bank. Most of the news are official only. Whatever I am discussing, these are based on some official update, either published on BSC or as per internal discussion, based on the AGM or Q2 results, Q1 results, like that only. See, coming to general discussion, if you look at the shares, most of the quality shares and most of the stocks are falling from almost 2 years. 40 to 50 correction, 50% correction was seen in the past 1.5 years to 2 years. So overall market is underperforming. You need not worry about S Bank. Even S Bank also corrected from 32.8 to 17. Almost it went 50% down. Now it is recovered to some extent. But if S Bank wants to touch the new high, it has to first break the 32.8 level. I think in the previous video I have given the targets also. So from past one and of more than 1.5 years, I think in February 2024, Yes Bank share price has touched 52-week high that time, 32.78 or 85, around that range. So continuously falling only. Falling, it's not in one go. It's coming down and going up. Not only Yes Bank, overall market is down, but the Nifty and Sensex are performing well. Time will come for Yes Bank also. We are waiting for very long time. Actually, I was also expecting at least 100 rupees. The price is not going up only. Number of shares are increasing every time by issuing this shares under stock option scheme. What to do in Yes Bank? Nothing to do. Hold tightly and wait for our time. So already waited for 5 years. By this time the stock price at least should have touched 45, 75, 90 range, because all negatives are gone. Even this Japanese bank has bought 25% stake. What else you want? NPA already reduced to minimum level. Gross NPA and net NPA below 5% only. Still share price is not moving up. Many improvements are happened, and the profit, S Bank is posting continuously profits only. Q2 the profit was reduced compared to Q1, but still in profit only. Even after posting continuous profit results, Yes Bank price is not going up. I think some minor corrections are there. After this, our time will come and we can see the upper circuit one day. So wait for our time. Do not sell any shares unless you have strong reason. Need not sell. If you are in profit, you can sell and again enter. But if you are in loss, don't sell. The, there are many stocks which have given 5 times, 10 times. So Yes Bank is underperforming. It has to give at least 45 rupees is the minimum target, and we can expect 75, 90 anytime. Whenever you are thinking about any stock, you just keep your target 5 times at least. Whatever investment into, you suppose you have invested at 20 rupees into 500. If you have invested 5 years back, around it was 12 to 13 rupees or 14 rupees, still it has performed okay compared to FD. It has given good return. Who has bought the shares at 13 rupees and 12 rupees and hold, I think they have tightly hold till date, still it is a reasonable return only. Yes Bank, it is almost given 100% return. In between, I think in 2024 itself, S Bank share price has touched 32.8. You will leave about the 32.8. At least if you consider 26, 27, 28 rupees also, so share price has doubled in just 4 years. 2024 January means you just you need to remove the 2024. You can see 23. 2020 March, I think COVID has started. During that only there are many issues faced by S Bank. Initially deposits were withdrawn by many depositors. RBI has come into picture and they have given the special package. So that was happening in 2020. That means 2021, 22, 23. within 3.5 years it has given good return only. Share price doubled. That means whenever you buy, you just hold tightly. Now it is the time for accumulation of shares, so buy on dips. The video came around 30 minutes, we should not prolong it further. So my targets I am expecting strongly 45, 75, 90 rupees. You can multiply. So initially it was trading around 12 to 13, into 5 make it to 65, at least 60 rupees. From past few months it is trading in 20 to 20 range, average 20, you make it 20, into 5 if you make it to around 100 rupees, at least 90 rupees target should touch. When and why we need to think about it. So Japanese bank is entered. I think in recent meeting they have said something about the S bank, so it's not completely turned around, so some improvements have to be done. So I think after those improvements we can expect the upper circuits. Till date we have not seen any upper circuit. That means one or two times when it has happened. At least 10 to 20 sessions it should go upper circuit, then only I will be happy for making these many videos on S bank. I think nobody has made exclusive videos on S bank, so I will be happy only when the S bank continuously hit the upper circuits for 20 sessions. 20 sessions upper circuit means it will be more than double or triple. I think it will be triple, 3 times. So if you look at my videos, most of the videos see about S bank only. This many videos are made, but there is no much return from this bank. So not only this, I have given few Deepavali picks. Few stocks are performed well. The quality stocks are only given, I think, in 2 years back video. You can refer past videos. Many stocks are given. I think 20 to 30 stock recommendations are given. Nearly 16 companies are performed well. So I'm closing at this level. My target, at least if the S bank achieves 90 rupees, I will be happy. Most of the investors who are watching this channel, I am thankful to those, and I will be happy only when the share price reach 90 rupees, at least 90 rupees. Now it is in 23, no, into 4 times. One so called brokerage company has given 100 rupees target within 1 year. When 4 years back, I think in 2021, they have called me and told as bank share price will be 100 rupees just within 1 year. You keep accumulating. But okay, it has given 100% return. When it was 12 rupees, 13 rupees range only, they said it will go to 100 rupees. Okay, now it didn't go to 100 rupees, but still it gave 100% return. Averagely 20% is a good return. So your comments highly appreciable. You can send any of your doubts, comments on S bank. I think some latest issue is going on about 81 bonds. We have not received any official confirmation. Earlier also I made videos on 81 bonds. You can see, refer the playlists. Many playlists are there. When you go to this channel and look at the playlists, few are on quarterly results, few are on earlier I used to make videos on share price range. Every month I used to post. Whether happened or not, that is different, but I used to give some target. within just 5 rupees range only, but in few months I given good target. So those kind of playlists are there, few are very useful. You can see the past data and all. Voice was not there because due to hectic work schedule I am working as an accounts manager full time. Actually earlier I have worked in government sector for 3 years. So that time I used to get enough time at least for making one or two videos weekly. Timing was 10:30 to 6 only. Now it is 9 to 7, sometimes it 8 also. So I am not getting much time from past 1 year. Slowly I will try to make good videos with voice. Earlier I was not using my voice because I stay in hostels or paying guests, so there won't be place for recording video. Most of the times we get noise, some other issues will come. That is why I have not tried to make videos with voice. So now onwards I will try to make some more videos regularly whenever we get the official update from S Bank. If you want any other company's shareholding pattern, we can get it. It's officially published. Just I'll share the link. You can directly check which company has shareholding in this particular company. Either foreign nationals or promoters, public shareholding. People like you, investor like me and you are comes under retail category. So in retail category there are two things. One is, so if you have investment up to 2 lakh, it is that is one category, and above 2 lakh another category. NRIs, directors and managerial person relatives, that will come under one thing. Investor education protection fund. So when shareholder is not traceable or shares are hold, when the dividend is not claimed, in few situations shares and dividend everything will be transferred to investor education and protection fund. That is actually advanced level knowledge. I am closing this session at this moment only because many investor meetings are covered, and even ESOP, employee stock option scheme. I am still expecting 45, 75 and 90 ranges. You look at the previous video, I think target is given. Let's see whether it will hit 32.8 or not. So finally I want to say one thing. Just 7 to 10 trading sessions are enough for the stock to double. Those 7 to 10 trading sessions, when those will come? It can come in 1 year or 2 years or even 3 years. Still it is a good return. Those 7 trading sessions or 9 trading sessions comes once in 5 years also, it is fine. You will get double